If you want to become a web developer, but you cannot afford to buy paid courses online, probably because they are very expensive or whatever reasons, no worries, because in this video, I will show you 10 free website platforms where you can learn web development as a beginner to a pro level without paying a dime in no distant time. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check them out one by one. So our first website is freecodecamp.org. Now, this is the epitome of free coding. This is the epitome of free coding. Here, they offer all courses. They offer almost all courses on all topics under web development, such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, API, databases, Python, and many others like that. And you know what? Everything is completely free. Everything is completely free. And you know the sweetest part of this? It's that every lesson is interactive. On this learning platform, you get to learn, you get to practice, and you get to earn your own certificates. And many people have secured jobs, high-paying tech jobs from learning on freecodecamp.org. So if you want to structure real projects and recognize certificates, FreeCodeCamp is your best way to go as a beginner. We move over to the second, which is W3 Schools. Think of W3 Schools as the Google of web development learning, and they offer simple tutorials on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, React, PHP, SQL, and many more like that. And their tutorials are simple, easy, and straight to the point. And you know the best part? They have a try it yourself editor. They have a try it yourself editor where you can practicalize code instantly, as you can see here, as you can see there. In fact, this w3schools.com is perfect for starters like you. Now, the third free learning platform is NDN Web Docs. NDN Web Docs. NDN Web Docs is a platform that is owned by Mozilla Firefox, and it is for people who want a deeper knowledge of web development and how it works. And NDN Web Docs is not just a tutorial. It's not just all about tutorials. It teaches you the why behind everything. That is why HTML works this way, why CSS works that way, why Python acts like this, why PHP behaves like that, why PHP behaves like that, and like this and like that. And if you want to build a very strong foundation and become a core professional in web development, in any aspect of web development, whether it's the front end or back end, this NDN Web Docs is your good mind, and it is completely free. It is free to learn. So let us move over to the fourth learning platform. Now, the fourth learning platform has to do with Odin Projects. So what is Odin Project? Odin Project is a platform that offers full stack curriculum on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, project building, Git, Node.js, and many others like that. And it's more like a boot camp. It's more like a boot camp training, but it is 100% free. And this Odin Project offers you a platform where you can build portfolio-ready projects and various works on web development in terms like a real developer would do. So why not give it a try? Try it out and see how it goes for you. So we move over to the fifth learning platform, which is Codecademy. Yes, Codecademy. Yes, this platform has a paid plan. It has a paid plan, definitely. But the free version is perfect for beginners and starters like you. And in Codecademy, they offer interactive lessons that teaches you step by step and give you instant feedback. And it's a platform that is great for people who want to learn by practice. It's a platform that is great for them. Now, the user interface is clean. Its lessons are short and straight to the point. And you can learn at your own convenience, anytime, any day. Yes, the number 6 learning platform, which is Geek for Geeks. Yes, Geek for Geeks. Now, what is Geek for Geeks? Geek for Geeks is a platform that offers full lectures on web development, machine learning, data science, JavaScript, Python, software tools, database, and many more like that. And they offer various courses on core areas of all forms of web development, from the beginner level to the advanced level. So what I want you to just do for me is just to take a look at the website all around, look for the areas that you want to learn from, and get started on it. I would suggest you rather give it a try and see if you won't become a developer, an expert developer in no time. Move over to number 7, which is Coursera Free Audits. Yes, Coursera Free Audits. Now, this platform offers free and paid version courses, and the paid version courses come with a free audit part option. And from this free audit option, you can get to learn web development from Google, Meta, IBM Standard, and even from University of Michigan. And you can learn all of this for free. Now, the only time where you get to pay is if you want a certificate to follow up. if you want a certificate to follow up. But as for the content itself, everything is free. Everything is free of charge. You only get to pay if you want a certificate. So it is up to you to try it or go for other online free learning platforms. Now, the eighth learning platform is Khan Academy. Khan Academy. Now, this Khan Academy might be known for mathematics, but they also teach programming as well as JavaScript, drawing, animation, interactive coding, and lessons, and various others like that. In fact, the interactive coding lessons aspect are top notch, and it's perfect for learners who want to learn visually, like seeing the way things move on screen. So it is just it may not be that perfect place to learn development, but I would suggest that you just give it a try and see if it is worth learning and see if they offer what you want to learn. So the free platform number 9 is Screenbar. Yes, Screenbar. Now, this platform offers free and pro subscriptions to selected web development courses, as you can see here. If you don't have money to pay for the pro subscription, you can go for the free subscription. They cover courses on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and responsive design. And this platform is completely unique. It's different from others in the sense that you can combine web coding and videos in one screen. And through it, you can be able to pause the video, edit the code, run it, and still continue and do your practice. And they offer a very robust community. Where beginners can interact, ask questions, and get answers. You can interact with professional web developers or those who have learned much on the platform and get response from them. They can learn from you. You can learn from them as well. So as far as I'm concerned, it's also a fantastic platform where you can learn web development as well. So I advise you check out this website, and if it's something that is worth learning, you can go for it as well. You can give it a try. Yes, and the last of them all, which is the platform number 10, has to do with various bonus websites that I'm going to list. And on this, there are several platforms. And apart from this number 1 to number 10 that I've listed, there are several other platforms that you can learn web development as well. And we have the Solo Learn, we have the CSS Tricks, we have the HackerRank, we have the JavaScript.info, we have the Pencode, and so many others like that. But from the number 1 to number 10 that I've listed are the best of them all. And that will take you from the very beginner level to a very advanced to a highly professional level, and even offer you an added advantage for you to get that tech job. So I advise that you just give it a try. Any of this website that you feel that, any of this learning platform or website that you feel that you can be able to learn web development professionally very, very well, just give it a try. Just test any of these websites, and anyone that you feel that is worth learning, you can give it a try and start learning from there. So before we round up, here is the learning strategy for you to become a professional web developer. Now, don't just visit this website and begin to read and watch videos. As you are reading them, put them into practice. In fact, the learning strategy, you can practice learning strategy, which is pick one platform, learn for about 1 to 2 hours or maybe 30 minutes, and start practicalizing as you are learning by the side. By doing something simple, you can begin to practice how to create a button, how to develop a search feature, how to develop a web page, how to develop a calculator, or anything at all. It is through this process that you will be able to learn very, very fast. You'll be able to learn very fast and very, very well. And you'll be on your way to become a very, very good and professional web developer. So I wish you all the very best of luck. So now the links to all these websites that I've listed are in the video description below. Just take the video description below. You will see the links there. So you can access the websites from there and navigate through them and pick the one that you feel is worth learning from. So that will be all for now. So if you have any questions or you have anything to say at all, drop them in the comment section below. And I'll be able to respond to all your questions one by one. And before I finally round up this video, I want you to subscribe. I want you to do me this special favor. Subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Turn up the notification bell. So that anytime I drop a video, just like this one that you have watched, YouTube will send you a notification about any of my videos. So till I see you in my next video. Bye for now.